Hi, to record screen on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, swipe down from the upper right corner to check the control center, and now swipe again. So here we need to find the featured screen recording. For that we can swipe left, and yes, here it is, this camera icon and the name screen recording. So firstly, we can just press and hold it and see its setting. For example, we can enable to record with system sound or with microphone sound, but in that case you can see this warning that using the microphone without earphones can result in noisy recordings. If you agree with that, just simply tap OK and now it is enabled. After that, we can change the quality of the video result. So here is the low, medium and high, and also the custom one, so you can change here some of the setting. I'm gonna leave medium and let's go back. Here in the frame rate, you can switch to the 30 FPS, but I suggest you to keep the dynamic option. Now also, we can enable privacy protection. Here we can just change the indicator location. Now it is as a floating window and we can switch to the status bar. After that, we can select record front camera video, and my favorite feature, show screen touches. So, for example, if you're making your mom a tutorial on how to use Instagram and tapping on some features, she will be able to see the dot on the features which you tap and won't ask additional questions. I guess that is perfect. So, I suggest you to keep this feature enabled. And here the last one, video coding format, so you can switch to it for smaller video sizes. And now, let's record screen. For that, let's go back to the control center, and now we need to tap this feature. Select to allow screen recording to record audio. Let's select while using the app. Now choose indicator, tap OK, and now we need to tap this button to start recording. And that is how it looks. We can drag this floating window anywhere across the screen. Here we can disable some of the features. For example, we can disable microphone like that, and we can disable to record system sound. But the recording is still in process. You can see the time of it right here in this red tab. So if you would like to stop your recording, you just need to tap here. Now you can resume it like that. And now you can tap it again, tap the check mark, and it will be saved to your gallery. So now let's check it. I'm gonna open the Photos application, and here let's find the screen recording. And here it is. So you can just hear everything with sound, and also you can see where I just touched the screen, which is really cute and helpful. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.